Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to download Omron PLC CX Programmer and how to install it. First off, open browser, search Omron, CX1. After open this, go to Industrial UN site. Then after go to download. In download, going to software and you can download to here CX 4.61 trial version. After you can log in, otherwise if you are not ID, register and after you can download the here. After downloading this, going to CX1 in setup file. Username, company name and license key. After enter the license key, go to next button. Please select your region to here. Next, you can select the complete installation. Next, next, install. In this installing process, take a 30 to 45 minutes. Complete the installation, you can restart your computer and after here type CXP. This is CX programmer. We are programming in this. Here the details of CX programmer version 9. A different version is a different PLC supportable. If you have a latest version, all PLC are supportable. Thank you for watching.